The Galveston City Council approved strictest smoking bans in the state, and it's set to start next month. But tomorrow, that tough new smoking ban could get watered down. And 11 News reporter Courtney Zabowski shows us who's holding the bucket.
Show a lot of damage, you know.
Charles Head's business overcame Ike.
Pretty good picture there.
Take a look at the water line.
We had to throw everything in there away.
Now the owner of the Havana Alley cigar shop is trying to overcome something else.
Oh, we'd have to go out of business.
That the only way you'd see smoke in his shop,
no doubt about it,
would be if there's a fire.
It was terrible.
In July, in addition to banning smoking in restaurants, bars, and clubs, council members voted to outlaw smoking in tobacco stores. Tomorrow, that could all change.
Well, I think they're making the right decision. Let's put it that way.
Council members are asking the city attorney to change the ordinance so that smoking in businesses like this one would be okay. It's the only tobacco store in town.
I feel like I've got a big dot in the middle of my chest, you know.
It's not like anyone is up in arms over the tobacco store exemption, even those who are in favor of the smoking ban. But then you have other restaurant and business owners in Galveston. They want even more exemptions.
The ordinance as it's written is more strict than anything in Texas.
Guy Taylor owns the Store Club. Come January 1st, the ban prevents his customers from smoking inside and right outside his bar.
If smoking's not allowed in restaurants and bars, I can live with that, as long as we can outside in our sidewalk seating or patio seating allow our customers to smoke there.
Many council members are in support of the law, as are organizations like the American Heart Association and Cancer Society.
A different situation now.
Right now, the only but that could be written into the ordinance is the one that Charles Head is sitting back hoping for. In Galveston, Courtney Zabowski, 11 News.
Every year, thousands of people